Welcome to Sauti Mzalendo, where we bring you the real stories shaping our nation. And tonight, drama unfolded in a high-level summit as MCAs disrupted proceedings, making one demand loud and clear. They want President Ruto in the room. It was a day of tension, frustration, and unexpected drama as members of county assemblies stormed the summit, refusing to proceed without the president's presence. Their message: they don't want intermediaries, they want direct answers. So, what exactly pushed them to this breaking point? Sources say the MCAs feel sidelined, claiming their counties are being ignored when it comes to development, funding, and policy decisions. They argue that their concerns are often lost in the chain of command, and they were determined to make sure this time the head of state hears them in person. We have been patient for too long. These issues affect Mwananchi directly, and we cannot just sit here and pretend everything is fine. We need commitment from the president himself. Their bold stance left organizers scrambling as the summit came to a halt. With tensions rising, the big question remained: would the president respond? While some criticized the MCAs for what they called a dramatic disruption, others praised them for standing firm and demanding accountability. After all, aren't they the people's representatives? If they feel unheard, isn't it their duty to push for action? Some political analysts see this as a clear sign that devolution is still facing hurdles. County leaders want their voices to be respected, and if this is the length they must go to in order to be heard, what does that say about the state of governance? Now, the ball is in President Ruto's court. Will he engage them directly, or will this just be another loud protest that fades into silence? One thing is clear: Kenya's political landscape is shifting, and the people's representatives are no longer willing to wait quietly. What do you think? Was this the right way for MCAs to demand attention, or should they have followed protocol? For Sauti Mzalendo, keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered.